demonstration of the different features in the Google apps. That is the documents, the spreadsheets, the chat feature, the Google Earth. And if you look on your handout, these are just some of the features that you'll find in Google. Picasa is image editing. Alright. So I give you some handouts there. The search feature there in Google, that's what they're known for around the world, is their search feature. Alright, their web search feature. And the Google Maps. You've used Google Maps, right? So you've probably used Google Maps before. I give you a sample address there where we can look at that using Google Maps. And going through the handouts. Search, using a search, build your own search string. It's very important with the quotes, the minus sign, the search string, an operator, which is a plus, minus, colon. So going through this is the handouts here. And then on to back to the Picasso one. Alright, so I'll go through this. Okay. Now,
we should be on Google now.
I'm going to walk you through it first, and I'll walk you through it and all the different features. Yeah, but then once I walk you through it, then we'll create a simple document. We'll create a spreadsheet, just so you can get some idea. So, looking here at the Google page, and then I will sign in. And you know, Google is also owns YouTube as well. So I'll just sign in here. Use my password. I will not. Alright. So here, looking over here at all the features, all the different features in Google Apps, I'll come over here where it says Google Images, the image search, that's one component. This is not the Picasa. This is just for images. A lot of people go on here, they'll type in whoever they're looking for. So in this case, if I put in Barack Obama, you can see there's over 16 million results for Barack Obama. There he is. Alright. Then I come over to the maps, and if I want to put there on the maps, if I want to put LA, SC. Alright. And it has several areas for LASC, or I can put in Los Angeles Southwest College. Alright, and there's LA Southwest College from the Google map. Alright, on to the news. Alright, if I want to come back over to the news today, so if I want to just type in whatever I'm looking for in terms of the news, I'll put in the governor. And there's news, I'll put in the recession. So any topic I'm looking for. So this is under, and then Google Video. And this is actually their beta. So looking here. And then the Gmail feature. Okay. My students there, and I'm going to delete some of this stuff here. TurboTax I'm not using. There's one of my students there. Alright, so then I'm looking here at the Gmail. Now if I come under the, looking under the Gmail feature, then I can see some of the features that you have there in your handouts. Here's the calendar for Google. And here's the documents. And I just had a student work on this in one of my classes, and I'm going to have more students working on the Google documents. Here's the photos component. And this will take us to the Picasso web, where I am. Alright, there's my family there. My public gallery there. Alright, here's my Burbank school, there I am, my other photos. Anything unlisted, there's other pictures here, and this is all part of the Picasso. Alright, and now coming over to the reader, which will read all your news sources. Back to the web here. And then coming under where it says more, I'll click there one where it says even more. And then from here, I can then view all the other different features in Google. One of the most famous ones is the Google Earth feature, and they just released a new feature, which is the Google Earth that will now go 3D into the ocean. So there's the new Google feature. Got some music here. Alright, so there's the... This is the Google Earth feature. It'll go to Mars, explore the ocean. So this is looking at the Google Earth. You can download this for free. Okay. All right. And then looking through the different then here, of course, is YouTube.